So for Penny, our da prophetic hill chapel and normature prophet Nigel Gacy, the Ensemble Abetu Abante Efa, Justice Kuku Anan, the seat show host, and Wona Ebusian for Munim say a free a year after HM 2020, and a Justice Kuku Anan, host of the seat show on the boss of Netu, a year Honorable Kennedy, a Japan, Edibuta be AC woman, as so say. As of for a woman, Canana, a woman who a amount for the donor board, the Joe Musicaniano. Woman, you want to a woman Adam with Yama Ubia Abimu, one more assay. Now, and no need with the another some dear chess or more aya fees I been never see a name no more ecasy. Now, so for Bakwani, won't ever come here, and some way a few Gemuno, a prophet Nigel Gacy, as the one someday, Bebre, and a better appointee, when no other Casa be home, but she be moody and take a sanity the kick out, but in Yamuno, a wish your form. A free a one of not quite to say political something not quite today, or NDC ni so for NPP for MP station today is quite conflicted. I was quite no so. The name or prophet Nigel Gacy Babonte na some of them to join the extra was say a year Kweku Anan Justice Kweku Anan was Jessica. Just so for no be a woman asema bank, obetime come about me JB 1,000 cities, 500 cities, we try and some no so we out me first say, once my bedroom me or one just say any, not just say, make was to make movie, I will a feed so I'm a platform so into no so for another say, what you was can, no more come once no Joe was can, I say, oh, moment me jante. Not the one same Abetu Abonte. Now, a friend cheap and a beam to Osaka say, will you be also a so for 100 years so for a young now we nipa now so much of for their and you will be a young share a month for more any software yasem and all shares and every year at say a beam put me back on table friend Archbishop Nicholas Duncan William and Dean Tras Duncan William and only near can be at say bet me abaman wiye enye kama artist ni nyem no wo friend small boy ye go tie say na prophet Nigel Gacy wo dey examine etuda efa Kweku Anan.
There is a little man I want to address. That little man on Netu. He's a little man. He should stop attacking men of God. He's too little to attack the Archbishop Duncan Williams. He's too little to Kweku Anan. He's too little to attack some of us. No sum is sum abedanoso. And onima he should check history. Obibia authority and nyamiasa for nyamia difon na wie yankoye.
Thank you.
Oni monko bisa PMP, any editors of PMP. Na Choice FM was louder than the two. Me papa can Japan me attacking it that because why they be inspire me that. SM but have respect for grey hair. But that boy, whatever he's saying, and honorable can Japan must check because I just obey good and say. But the very things he's so loud and but now he's so cheap. That he asked for 1,000 cities, 500 cities, and or like he's blackmailing men of God. Obeba say prophet Nigel why you say now what for be say friend so why they say before some major no one some kind just 1,000. Honorable the point here me it's not easy to be him. Into a mother little boy Kweku Anan and say nejuma. Na the American say on share the can phone on attack your default. There is a guy on with Neat FM. There was a man of God, a prophet who attacking. Emma sophony fitema says your dance man. Says ya dear one HIV in our movie. And he's too little. And I know you soon sumunipa. Now meme kwabena prophet Nigel. A suma bedanaso. A sum abedanaso.
Allegations here what they to ja efa a year Kweku Anan nyano a string allegation because no be any say show now nanka project but nini amuno amama for say I wonder because yeah best and what you know entemni Reverend Obofodin be PM I was shown to ebiem na bra Reverend Obofodin be PM ni video boy and the honorable Kennedy Japan sha say kafa no sha say trend no Reverend Obofodin react no wo Justice Kweku Anan din nienta and wo akade etiso say e die nti na sabre ɛna wɔte sɛ wɔbɛbɔ ne din anaasɛ ɔka sɛ yɛnto nkyia ɛfama no bɛmmensa so ɛna obisa no sɛ yɛnsa ɛmisa no sɛ adi nti ɛna sɛ why now na ɛno na mama for doing maybe a justice kukwana no indulge in something ɛnyɛ ne show na wɔyɛ ɛbɔ brand nti na reverend abɔfoɔ ɛkasa ɛnsɛm no ne nua mu no mbɛka mpo bi ma ɛyɛ afie twem no wɔ bra ɛsɛm keka no ɛkɔ so no baby ɛyɛ kɔfoba grada na wɔyɛ evangelist Patricia wɔde nsɛm bi beto dwa sɛ wasoma sika ɛde fa sɔfo apia so ɛyɛ 10,000 Ghana cedis say fa ko ba kukwana na no kwa kukwana na mena mu ebe kasa afa ho e wo show ni so te say na te waka sika no we mu wate but onye ye no say DNT na yesuma sika no e man in the first place does it mean say now what jiska and say just allegations so na prophet Nigeriazi e dey abetu edwano but ni niem no no mu abaponte abeyi ensem no ano na yekoti ye ba we dey nchemu kakara ka wo dem
na manema Nigeriazi na Nigeriazi nko policy or platform so they should take a lesson to them munko kanche Nigeriazi say me Kweku Annan say every detail of me Kweku Annan said you me wo Ghana me teach our platform so by extension or by audio or by any form of arrangement my say asofo mo mo we sika no na mo femra na mi Kweku mi nyai mo nsemi kano I am by this second split of it Nigeriazi be timia on the TV stations non fata evidence in femra it's a matter of daring because on Nigeriazi require the length of not to back Ghana for a while for whatever it is because me na mo ntia say mo mo pushi nipa Nigeriazi timia me say and I repeat offer every evidence of me Kweku me dire me ni be di nkomo me ni obi ko di nkomo about so won say sika say mra o say I am putting my soul and my spirit and my body on the line. And then number one. Number two, I am sorry sir I have to do this because me didn't can information and I know said by this program on the TV. Me be say Nigeriazi uko friend nipa mako be in 9. So many ni Kweku Annan emedi nkomo say wo pacho we twa wasem so. E dey go Nigeriazi we number one. Nigeriazi uko friend why on him kesi bi e wo kuma say so onye den o me fe Kweku Annan ni nye den e bi omo uko fe quality kesi of OKFM so oni me di nkomo ana number 2 uko fe a musician dia you say A+ oni me di nkomo ana number 3 uko fe the manager Emma Asamoah I a friend of what's his name? Saudi Arabia. Enimado. Oko fe Enimado. So me feminine ni nkomo. Number 4. Oko fe MPP chairman B. Jamal Kutin. Jamal Kutin ni be di nkomo. Jamal Kutin by extension. Oyo honorable Kwame Japan my cousin. Oko fe so ni be di nkomo ana. But then again, let me announce this to Nigeria. I have the recordings of all these guys there. Okay? At the appropriate time as we proceed, I'll put all of them in the public domain so that we Nigeriazi, who say, me, if I call that level, you can't. Nigeriazi, who call that level, and I swear that evidence up there, no or so for, and I am going to continue to mention their name as crooks, as mafias. Some of them are. I'll mention their name without or reservedly, and nobody can do anything. A kind of first one, and I may say, most of them are moving and no one. Now, somebody will say, by what measure? And I will bet in your say, thank you for and no one. Why? And you may pen America. Ghana media will put in the tears and the 10 years, and you know, I'm a show and I'm a bedroom. You do not put some near the measure. And we'll be also watching the segment called Ghana Speaks. As so far, I'm not going to tell you now. Yet they take you to home. We are catching us a few ways for Yankupa. Okay, Yankupa somewhere. Okay, necessarily I call Bible. No other judge. But you know you was there. You are, you call Bible as I said. None of the things I bought a fat so far, my boy with Dina. So what are you talking about? Like the game is saying. Mabo Duncan Williams. Is he aware? Is Nigel Gaisley aware that the likes of Duncan Williams are putting pressure on some Asofo? So, apology, I may say apology. When we say ceasefire, underline the word ceasefire. Now, Asofo, wait a minute. They do the back. Although Nigel Gaisley are aware, me say Duncan Williams, I will not add any bishop to it. Me say Bishop Bianto because of what I know. It's like the Gaisley telling me, say, my vote that he was made to be. Into one TV that. Really? Now, when the expose starts, Ghana for a moment with you, I will not, and I repeat, I will not attach anything to say the very clear and not about respect and respect. I respect them in their rights. So me before. But we can prove absolutely what to me catch us. Me personally repeat that word because Obibeka Sekweku is being harsh. But that you would know. I did a tape now your ball. If you didn't know about that, you would know. Now listen, let me break the news to you. I was once a lighthouse boy. Take it from me. I have been in lighthouse for years. I'm not like the Gaisley will not tell me what I know about lighthouse. And you know what? I saw be a walker. So we are showing more. Not that it's over a wedding. This are so many charge for say Sikano. A diner or the band would be a wedding. You did charge for it. Here we are. Then we are wedding. I saw never took collection Marco 3. Collection here 2 Mienu ekwa so no baako ekwa the bride and the groom. Ebiomo lighthouse for edifice bi e waiting edifice e wo mambo. Kama o be say ojo ahome o ye fast utimi ko. Every member of lighthouse media or to collection utia me tie should have access to this edifice. Now so do what e say utie sika ansa na we. Now o be say Nigel Gaisley o ka tell me say many right says me bisa that you would know. That's wrong. And the before pay here and you must say you. And the before pay and I said the year and you maybe say sometimes say. Na mo bridge na mo na abo for me to on 7 grade. I am on abo for no. Omusuni say the omutichi omukuro. Ewo religious side, any political side. Na mo hear the omutichi kuro. Omukuro na mo di Yakobon sun be here no. Mo hear the omutichi kuro so beautiful. Na hanzu Muma sa nipa we no e say yaso. Women say people will onyankopon ketenkete in their own right. So therefore, we be questioning minus me could go that you would not know the picture was so at the time when you accident for not ready already. Until so when you accident, no means there's the need to change the church constitution. Now, do you know what it means by changing the church constitution? I'm not ready to go there. If we ask all these questions, I will see in this question me, and I can't mean. Oh, I'm not so for and now you say, Trini that so no Ghana for me who hey I think we see my way mo na mo be hu kun kese be mini on my way makatriamo because the people na mo not trust in them and people na mo believe so mo na me ye konkon na ye kana we won't just la we be from you opinion about me there ya ma metite na makojo blood na me blood take na fe na mo kan se ma mo ile osumaka
Ebusefo kwemu ansem edoso pa se ade yenya two sides to the story say one e kan kre one to any idea draw that is adane eye ensema ade yen kese mu edi eni hwem de eni di ekire say e be hu do kan kre de odi atonya sande na se wo meko ade abasa se na ye beef adodo na e wo man mu ekono no nti na ebusefo de abeto dei na mede aso Uche adwentrebe and a word at the phone. Nina woka, Momodia never fight a comment section and one never so me. Maybe I'm still following your social media platforms. Instagram, Twitter, so at @TumaGH_. Facebook @TumaGH. The number of Ubiswa NT. Macramia.